Hi guys, welcome to Manual Education. So this video is all about placements of IHM Kolkata. Guys, we are discussing about all the placement reports of all the IHM. Okay, so in this time we will discuss about Kolkata, and in future videos other IHM placement report will also come. So in this video I will discuss about the fees structure of IHM Kolkata, what are the recruiting industries in IHM Kolkata, and what are the recruiting companies who recruits the IHM Kolkata student, and salary package of IHM Kolkata students. So let us discuss about that. Before we proceed ahead, we have launched the batches for NCHM CET JEE CHAT IHM Aurangabad. So in this batches you will get live classes, classroom coaching, books, shortcut tricks, the doubt classes, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made where all the queries of yours will be solved by our faculties, 10,000 plus question for the practice purpose, and mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting, guys? Book your seat now. Call on 8828581454, or you can also visit to our website manualedu.com/hotel management entrance examination. Now guys, let us discuss about fees structure of IHM Kolkata. So this is the fees structure. 2,88,000 rupees you need to pay for 3 years of your graduation in IHM Kolkata. This fees include admission fees, enrollment fees, NCHM CET, counseling fees, tuition fees, student activity fees, and other fees are also included, but hostel fees is not included because it varies from IHM to IHM. So you can check hostel fees on the IHM कोलकाता. गाइस ये भी एक रफ डेटा है. ओके, इट इज़ अ रिसर्च बेस्ड डेटा. ये थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है. लुकिंग एट पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन दे मे change the fees structure, so you can expect कि this much amount of fees you need to pay in the IHM Kolkata for your 3 years of graduation. Okay, now let us discuss about the recruiting industry. Okay, so first industry is hotel industry. Yes, होटल मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट है, सो होटल इंडस्ट्री के तो कंपनीज आएंगे ही आएंगे. सो इन दिस इंडस्ट्री जॉब रोल विल बी देयर लाइक front office manager, general manager in a hotel. You can work in a housekeeping department, you can be a restaurant manager, you can be a chef, and many more jobs are there in hotel industry for IHM graduates. Now after this, fashion industry. This is also one of the industry where IHM graduates are required. Companies like Tommy Hilfiger, Puma, Bata, over there also IHM graduates are required. So the job role will be in this industry is relationship manager, customer relation manager, fashion manager. All these jobs are there for IHM students. Okay, now entertainment industries like Cinepolis, PVR, and other theaters, they need IHM graduates to handle their theater shop. Especially you can be a food stall manager, you can be an entertainment manager, you can be a chef in the theater of their food stall. So over here also IHM graduates are required. Now let us discuss about the recruiting companies. Guys, बहुत सारे कंपनीज IHM कोलकाता में आके स्टूडेंट्स को रिक्रूट करते हैं. सो दीज आर द कंपनीज लाइक होटल है ताज, हयात, ITC, IHG, मेफेयर, क्लब महिंद्रा, पार्क होटल, लेमन ट्री, रेडिसन, ओबरॉय, एकर, द रेंट्री होटल, द फन, फासोस, ग्रीन पार्क, ओयो, Starbucks, the Lalit, the Leela Hotel and Resort. After this, Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail, Bikaner Wala, Compass Group, Puma, Taco Bell, Reliance Retail, Genesis Color, Cinepolis, Domino's Pizza. Guys, 91% स्टूडेंट्स को प्लेसमेंट मिलता है फ्रॉम IHM Kolkata. So this is a very good placement stat. Okay, now let us discuss about the salary package of IHM Kolkata students. So highest salary package they will get is 4.7 lakh per annum. थोड़ा सा इससे ज़्यादा भी जाता है. Average is 2.5 to 3.5 and lowest will be 1.8 lakh per annum. Guys, these all salary package, it depends upon how you have performed in your academics, how you have performed in your internship, how was your placement interview. All these parameters will decide your salary packages. So this is all about the IHM Kolkata placement details. If you want to prepare for NCHM CET JEE, so you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number, our team will help you. If you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website manoredu.com. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. We have also launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for hotel management entrance examination. Link of this particular channel, it is given into the description box. So subscribe to this channel also. Okay, all the social media handle links I have given into the description box, so do check the description box. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.